Hi, Queen Goddess here. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, yes, another reading tayo today for you, no, mga goddess. But before we start, no, so, again, kamusta kayo dyan? Hope na nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan, no, mga goddess ko. Maulan. Hopefully, no, wala nang bagyo na dumating sa atin, no. But, of course, di natin yan mapipigilan. But then, yung remember yung sinabi ko sa inyo na last time na about my dreams, no, regarding water, no, mga goddesses. So, be careful, no, kasi sabi ko nga dun, di ba, um, may mga bigla ang mga pangyayari, no, mga sudden, hindi nyo ina-expect, no, something like that, no. Mostly, no, makikita nyo rin sa mga news, di ba, regarding sa mga tubig, no, bigla na lang bumaba, di ba? Sabi ko nga doon sa dream ko na yun is biglang bumaha kahit wala namang ulan, no? But then mas nakikita ko rin doon is mga biglaang problema na paparating, no? So be ready, and of course, kailangan maging matatag lang kayo, no? Sa mga yun nga, mga pagsubok na darating, of course, di ba? Mga goddesses ko. So, yeah, let's see what's your current situation, no, mga goddess. Maybe this week, no, ano yung magiging what's your current situation and what's the advice from the universe na makukuha natin for you, no, mga goddesses ko. And of course, self-care advice from your inner self. And tingnan din natin, no, matagal na nating din nagagawa is yung your lucky color and lucky numbers for this week, no, mga goddesses ko. So, yeah, let's start with you, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Kamusta kayo dyan? Mga Earth signs natin. So, let's see. Bigla tayong hiningal. So, let's start with you, Taurus. Kamusta kayo dyan, mga Taurus? No, tignan natin what's your current situation. Your self-care advice from your inner self, and of course, your possible lucky numbers and color, kung may makuha tayong color for you this weekend. Di nawawala, message from the universe, no, advice from you, no, advice for you, no, ni universe, of course. So let's see, Taurus, no, kunin natin yung inyong main energy for this week. What's your current main energy, Taurus, no? Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Taurus. What's your overall energy this week, Taurus? Tignan natin. No, ano bang pinagdadaanan ng mga Taurus natin? Let's see. Bigla tayong pinagpawisan. So maybe Taurus, baka parang nag-gym ba kayo? Are you in gym? Parang yun ang nararamdaman ko na may nagwo-workout for some of you. So you have this home, no? So Taurus, no, for some of you, overall energy ninyo is home, no? Regarding home, regarding stability, regarding family, no? Ayun ang iniisip nyo sa ngayon, no? Parang yan ang worries nyo for some of you. May worry ka sa family, kung ano man, sino man ito, member man ito, of course, member ng family ninyo, no? Parang nagwo-worry ka, no, for some of you. And then for some of you, nakikita ko, no, nag-iisip ka ng stability for your family, no, mga Taurus natin, no. So, let's see. So, again, this is your overall energy, Taurus, no. Nag-iisip ka. You are thinking about your stability within the family, no. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no. Parang yung wanting, for some of you, wanting changes din for some of you, no, within family, no. Ayun din yung nakikita ko rito, no. So, let's see. Kuha pa tayo ng additional cards for you, no, with, for your current situation, no, mga Taurus natin. Kuha tayo dito ng cards for you, current situation for Taurus, please. Current situation for Taurus. Yan natin. For Taurus. natin. What's your current situation? Nakikita niyo ba yung cards? Ayusin lang natin. Medyo maliit yung ating space. So, one more card for you, Taurus. So, you have this Four of what is this? Four of Wands in reverse, no? Four of Wands in reverse. So, paano ba natin i-arrange? So, like that, no? And then, Nine of Cups, no? Nine of Cups. Buksan muna natin yung cards ninyo, no, Taurus. Wait lang. So, yun na, inayos lang natin. So, you have Nine of Swords in reverse. And then, Page of Cups in reverse. So, you have 9 here, no? Angel number for some of you, Taurus, no? 9. So, maybe you can Google these, no, numbers, no? Para makita nyo may message sa inyo. Or sort of advices, no, for some of you, Taurus, regarding your situation. Nakikita ko kasi rito, no, Taurus, parang may mga frustrations, no, from the past, I think, no, for some of you, because may mga may mga gusto kayong mangyari na ine-expect ninyo, but then hindi siya nangyari, no. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no, mga Taurus natin, no. So, yeah, maybe for some of you din, that's why hindi nangyari yung ine-expect nyo or yung mga gusto nyong mangyari, kung ano man yan, no? Ay because you are lacking some, sabihin nating pagkilos, no? With the Four of Wands in reverse, no? Maybe, kung sa business man ito, for some of you, no? Parang, siguro, hindi, pero mas nakikita ko kasi rito talaga is, like sabi nga natin, overall energy ninyo is home, no? So, family, no? So, maybe, within family talaga ang nakikita ko rito, no? Hiningal tayo. Yeah, no? Meron ditong, for some of you, Taurus, nakikita ko, no? Nagkaroon ng expectation, but then failure, no, from that expectation, no, Taurus, no. May ina-expect kayo kung ano man ito within the family, no, na hindi nangyari. Stability within the family, no. Stability, hindi lang naman yan financial, no. Pwedeng emotional din with the Nine of Cups, no. Sabihin natin, hindi nagkakasundo for some of you, no. May mga hindi nagkakasundo within family, no. With the Nine of Swords in reverse, no, full of sabi nating burden, no? Burden, mas naging, pero nakikita ko rito unti-unti, no, for some of you, parang ini-ignore mo na lang kung ano man ito, no, na problem sa within the family, no. With the Page of Cups in reverse, nakikita ko walang pag-uusap kung sino man tong member ng family ninyo, kung sino man ito, sibling mo man yan, husband, wife mo man yan, anak mo man yan, no. Nakikita ko, nire-refuse yung conversation, no? Nire-refuse yung, sabihin natin, dapat na pag-usapan kung ano man ito, no? Ayun yung nakikita ko. And, for some of you, Taurus, no, ini-ignore mo na lang din tong situation na to, kung ano man ito, no? Parang before, ikaw yung nag-a-action para maging maayos, no? Because, syempre, mahal mo yung family na ito, no? Kung ano man yung issue within the family. But then, parang for some of you, nare-realize mo rin na it's enough na, no? Parang wala namang pagbabago, no? For some of you. So, you gave up na, no? For some of you, Taurus. Or, for some of you, you are thinking to give up the situation, no? Kung ano man ito, no? Mga Taurus natin. So, yun yung nakikita ko rito. Parang ayaw mo nang kumilos, no? With the Four of Wands in reverse, nakikita ko is parang yun nga sinasabi dito na pagod ka na, no? Ayun yung nakikita ko rito. Pagod ka na intindihin, no? Intindihin kung yung sitwasyon, intindihin, makipag-communicate, no? Parang ano eh, no? Sabihin nating nonsense lang makipag-usap because may matigas ang ulo, may hindi nakikinig, no? For some of you, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? Mga Taurus natin, no? So, let's see. Kuha pa tayo ng additional cards for you, Taurus. Regarding the situation, tingnan natin. So, hindi natin kukunin yung lumipad. Additional situation for Taurus. I mean cards for you, Taurus. No, for some of you, parang ikaw na lang ba yung kilos ng kilos for some of you. No, so hindi talaga may hindi masaya rito, no, with nagpakita si the Sun in reverse, no. So for some of you, no, napo-frustrate ka talaga, no. So let's see. So you have this, the Hermit. For 5 of Cups in reverse. Ace of Wands. And Ace of Swords. No, so yeah, for some of you, nakikita ko rito, parang ibang energy naman to, no, nakikita ko dito for some of you. Meron bang nag-pass away for some of you na family member ninyo recently, no? And sabihin natin na for some of you nasa grieving stage pa kayo, no? Kumaga you are mourning for the passing of your loved one, no? Kung ano man, no? Or may umalis ba for some of you, no? But mas malinaw rito for some of you, may nag-pass away ba na member ng family ninyo, no? And nasa mourning stage pa kayo, no? But then nakikita ko rito, no, makaka-recover ka, no, nga this is a different energy, no, mga Taurus natin, no. Meron dito na makaka-recover ka, of course, and then with the Ace of Wands and Ace of Swords, no, there is a new beginning for you, no, kung ano man ito, right, no. Maybe may mga bagong opportunities for some of you, no. Ang nakikita ko rito after the heartache, no? Ayun yung nakikita ko rito for some of you, no? Medyo maganda tong nakuha natin tong energy na to kung sino man to sa inyo, no? There is a new beginning for you. New start, no? Kung sino man sa inyo yung nawalan ng loved ones, no? O sino man, right? No? So, yun nga, nakikita ko may new beginning, may new ideas din for you na ipupursu mo, no, mga Taurus natin. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, no. So, again, this is a different energy, no, kung sino man sa inyo, right? No, so, ayun yung nakakuha natin dito, no. So, yeah, kuha pa tayo ng additional cards for you, Taurus. Tingnan pa natin. Current situation for Taurus. So, may nakuha tayong energies dito. Mga Taurus natin. 2 different energies. No? But then, overall is home. No? So, within family talaga. No? May mga issues. May nag-pass away for some of you. Tingnan pa natin. So, you have this 9 of Pentacles in reverse. So, may 999 na kayo, no? 999 for some of you, Taurus. Angel number 999. Knight, ito nakita ko na kanina to, no? Nag-shuffle ako, no? Knight of Pentacles. And then, King of Pentacles, no? So, I think, no, for some of you, may mga ipupursu kayo, no, mga Taurus natin, no? May mga ipupursu kayo na opportunities na or something may kinalaman financially, no? So ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no. Medyo nag-aalangan lang kayo for some of you na i-pursue to, maybe business, no? For some of you, parang medyo malaki kasi yung i-invest ninyo, no? Parang nag-aalangan kayo with this, no? Ayun yung nakikita ko rito. Or merong nag-o-offer ba sa inyo ng partnership, no? Ay hindi nakikita ko rito. Maybe you are lacking some financial for some of you, no? So kaya hindi mo muna to ipupursue, no? But then napapag-isipan mo na to, no, mga Taurus natin. So maybe nakikita ko dito, Taurus, is wag nyo munang i-pursue for some of you kung ano man itong iniisip or pinag-iisipan ninyo na business man ito, investment, no? Kasi nakikita ko is sabi rito is wag kayong susugal ng malaking halaga, no? Better to start small, no? Hindi yung malaki yan kagad, no? Doon naman lahat nagsisimula, di ba? Sa maliit, no? Hindi yung malaki. Kasi for some of you, nakita ko rito parang nalugi kayo before, no? Sa business, no? Ayun yung nakikita ko dito, Taurus, no? Maybe meron ding someone na nag-betray sa inyo, no? Sa inyong business, no? Pwede ring job to, no? Nawalan kayo ng work, no? For some of you. So, kung may nag-o-offer something big, wag nyo munang i-pursue, no? Ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? Kasi, not enough resources pa kayo for some of you, no? So, maybe, if you really want to start or pursue something, businessman yan, or new career, no, new job, kung sa new job man ito, no, pag-aralan nyo muna mabuti, mahirap sumabak nang wala pa kayong alam, diba? Kung business naman is same, of course, no, pag-aralan nyo muna mabuti, or better start with a small capital, no, wag yung malaki yan. Kasi medyo tagilid pa siya. Ayun yung nakikita natin. Medyo tagilid, no? Parang it's not the right time for you to invest in a big investment, of course, no? Mga Taurus natin, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko dyan. So, let's see what's the self-care advice from your inner self, no? Within this week, mga Taurus natin. Kuha tayo ng one card for you. Self-care advice for you within this week. Kuha tayo ng one card from your inner self. So, you have this happiness, no? So, sinasabi sa iyo dito, no? Balancing, no? Balance yourself, no? Sabihin natin na ang nakikita ko rito kasi balance, no? Yung emotions ninyo, no, something like that. Sinasabi ng inner self mo is mag-i-balance mo, no. Kung sabi nga, meron nga tayong nakuha rito, di ba? Parang napapagod ka na sa kung ano man ito, no, within family, no. Kung may member ba ng family nyo na nagbibigay ng burden sa inyo, no. Tama yung ginagawa mo na for some of you, hindi mo na muna iniintindi because parang useless lang, right? No? So, maybe it's time for you to balance yourself, no? Because yung own happiness mo, no? Yung own well-being mo, yung nako-compromised here, no? Mga Taurus natin. So ito yung pinaka-message, no? So, your thinking will either make your happiness or take your happiness. You choose, di ba? Kasi kung iisipin mo yung mga tao sa paligid mo, hindi ka magiging masaya. But then, if you will pursue what you want in yourself, no? Siguro, mas okay pa yun dahil dun ka mas magiging masaya, of course, no? Or mas may mafu-fulfill ka for yourself instead of sabihin natin, intindihin mo yung mga tao sa paligid mo. No? Hindi naman siya nagiging madamot ka or selfish, no? Sabihin natin ganun. But then, you had enough na, right? No? So, it's time for yourself naman, no? Tama na yung pag-iintindi mo sa mga tao. Hindi naman nila iniintindi yung sarili nila. No, hindi tayo pinanganak sa mundo para alagaan natin yung ibang tao, no? of course, kapag bata, yung mga anak natin, bata pa yan, antindihin natin, alagaan. But then, when time goes, grown up na yan, no, may mga sariling So, ikaw naman, sarili mo naman yung intindihin mo, no? Hindi na dapat yung uso yung matanda na yung anak mo, ikaw pa rin mag-iintindi. Or kapatid mo, ikaw pa rin mag-iintindi. Paano naman yung sarili mo? Right? No? So, yun yung nakikita ko dito, no? For some of you, Taurus. Kasi nga, sabi ko nga kanina, you had enough na, no? Pagod na kayong kakaintindi, no? For some of you, no? So yeah, ito yung sinasabi sa'yo, no? Choose your own happiness, no? Ano ba magpapasaya sa'yo, no? Mga Taurus natin. Right? No? So, ayun yung nakikita ko dito. So, that this is your self-care advice, no? From your inner self, no? Mga Taurus natin. So, let's see what's the possible lucky numbers or color for you this week, no? Tingnan natin. Mga Taurus natin. Let's see. Kuha tayo dito ng cards for you, Taurus. So, may tumalon na, no? Tingnan. Kuha pa tayo. 3 more cards for Taurus. So, you have this 2, 3, 9, 42, and 16. No? So, these are your lucky numbers within this week, no? For some of you, Taurus. If you see these numbers repeatedly, no? Kahit saan ka pumunta, nakikita nyo ito repeatedly, no? May mga good news na paparating or yung mga ini-expect ninyo na kung ano man na mga hinihintay ninyo is possible, no? Within this week is mapupursue na, no? Magkakaroon na ng mga clarity, kalinawan, no? Kung ano man itong mga ini-expect nyo, no? Sa inyong sarili or within the family, no? There will be a clarity, good news, no? For some of you, Taurus, no? Within this week, no? If you see these numbers repeatedly, no? Mga Taurus natin. So, yeah. So, last, tingnan naman natin, no? What's the message advice from the universe, no? For you, no? Kuha tayo dito ng 1 card for you overall. Let's see. So, ang ganda, di ba? So, for some of you, maybe kung sino yung single dyan, no? True love is coming daw, no? For some of you na waiting, no? Mga Taurus natin. Or kung hindi man, no? Sabihin natin, maybe magiging genuine na yung sabihin nating love within the family, no? Kung sino man sa inyo dito makaka-resonate, no? So, sinasabi ni universe dito for you is love, true love is coming, no? Sana sabi sa inyo. So, don't you worry na, no? For some of you na dumaan palagi sa betrayal, cheating, no? So, I think this is a different energy, no? For some of you na baka may nagtatanong dyan kung magiging, kaya pala siguro may lumabas na happiness, no? Maybe for some of you, you are seeking for true love or when it will come, no? Parang ganun, no? Mga Taurus natin. So, yeah, that's it for you, mga Taurus, no? I hope na naka-resonate kayo for some of you, no? Within your, with this reading, no? Mga Taurus natin. So, yeah, God bless you all and thank you for watching, Taurus.